Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned corn on the stove. This simple guide will help you prepare a delicious side dish in just a few minutes. First, gather your ingredients: 1 standard 15-ounce can of corn, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You'll also need a small saucepan and a stirring spoon for this quick and easy recipe. Now, let's get cooking. Pour the drained corn into your saucepan. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of butter directly into the corn. This will add a rich, creamy flavor. Place the saucepan on your stove and set the heat to a medium setting. We want to gently warm the corn through, not boil it. As the butter melts, stir the corn gently to ensure it's evenly coated and heated. Now is the perfect time to season your corn. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of black pepper to taste. Continue to cook the corn for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to heat through completely and absorb the delicious flavors. Once the corn is heated through and the butter is fully melted, give it a quick taste. Adjust the salt or pepper if you like. Carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. Your perfectly prepared, warm and flavorful canned corn is now ready to be served. Enjoy this quick and easy side dish with your favorite meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.